my nigga I'm riding with him. If he wrong, go he right. Nigga talking that hot shit. Have him gone before the night. I ain't trying to squash shit.
Cause something about eating someone else's food feels so good. Like it makes the food taste so much better. I'm currently riding with no goddamn tread. Every time I press the gas button, bro. Every time I press the goddamn gas button, can watch this bitch swerve side to side. Look. I gotta catch that bitch. Oh shit, man. Goddamn. Traffic be a bitch, especially around this time. Especially around this time.
Tired of looking around when I need someone to call and just me. But that never stressed me out. It taught me how to beat my feet. Trying to stress this shit here. I need all grounds to the teeth. It ain't a thing that costs my money.
Goddamn, nigga, speed up. I know ain't nobody in front of your ass, cuz you straight. I know you straight. Your ass bullshit on the road. This nigga's bullshitting on the road. So is the fucking what I said. I knew he was bullshit. Then you got this motherfucking gun. Come on, man. Come on, cuz. I'm a dickhead, cuz that man was trying to go. I'm a fucking dickhead. Cuz I won't lie, cuz this shit so damn loud, cuz the ticker so damn loud. I don't even know what that shit called, the turn signal. Cuz that shit loud as hell. I won't lie to you, that shit loud as fuck. Oh. Did I just break my head stand? No. I just broke that bitch. One thing for sure, two things for certain. These fries not making it to the crib. These fries not making it to the crib. Cuz, I be bullshit, cuz. That traffic be unbearable, I ain't gonna lie. Going to Fort Myers and then leaving Fort Myers to go to Lee House and shit. Woo! That shit ass. ass on camera, cause that wind probably sound like a fucking storm in this bitch. God damn.
I'm making money off through the week. This bitch, I got a nigga boy. She tryna be cute and suck a knee. I get a nagging bitch gone the moment she come up out this pee. You made me shine, you made me nervous. Used to come and lean on you, now I got this.
That nigga out there on speed.
Whatever you need, son, just call me Mr. Clutch. And for my custos, no hesitation, I'm coming in a rush. And I just stayed down for this. It's not a nigga that I call. I stood up and took a risk. I look around, don't see shit when I was down up on my dick. Fat. At all. Hey. 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 Hey.
Still eating the goddamn fries, by the way. That shit not making it home, I'm telling you.
Hey, I told my nigga I'm riding with him. If he wrong, got me right. Nigga talking that hot shit. Have him going before the night. I ain't tryna squash shit. Pick a side, you better ride. My young niggas slinging hot shit. New boys know the terrorize. Tied in with the same niggas, we screaming Maltese. Broke niggas tryna beef. We don't beef with y'all guys. We don't beef with y'all guys.
Shit not making it home. This ain't neither.
Tired of looking around when I need someone to call it just me. But that never stressed me out. It taught me how to be my feet. Trying to stress this shit here. I need all grounds to the T. It ain't a thing that cross my motherfucking eyes that I don't see. Come on, flips up off this pill, turn me up and now I'm geek. This shit is an everyday thing. I'm making money all through the week. This bitch, I got a nigga boy. She tryna be cute and suck a knee. I get a nagging bitch gone the moment she come up out this pee. You made me shine, you made me nervous. Used to come and lean on you, now I got this color up in my car. And when you call, whatever you need, son, just call me Mr. Clutch. And for my custos, no hesitation, I'm coming in a rush. And I just stayed down for this. It's not a nigga that I call. I stood up and took a risk. I look around, don't see shit when I was down up on my dick. Fat.
Cuz, you can't tell me this shit not loud as hell. Listen to it, cuz. God, that shit loud enough, man. Shut the hell up, man. That be loud as hell. God damn. Look at the little dangling ass motherfucker. Cuz, something about eating someone else's food
I told my nigga I'm riding with him.
feels so good. Like, it make the food taste so much better. I don't know.
Pick a side, you better ride. My young niggas slinging hot shit.
You feel me?